is my dream in terms of having a bike, and if the person who is not cooperating with this, then definitely leave them. They know to walk. Hey, I'm doing just fine before I met you. I think too much, that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey. A very good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Nasser Vlogs, and this is Roshan. यार कल से मूड डाउन है क्योंकि पीएचडी का रिव्यू बिस्किट हुआ होगा बोल के। देखो यहाँ पे क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस भी कितना मुश्किल हो गया। देखे कार इतना नज़दीक से जा रहा, पेडेस्ट्रियंस को कितना मुश्किल होगा। देखो फुटपाथ तो यहाँ बनना ही बनना। क्या बोलते हैं कमेंट्स में लिखो। आपको भी समझ में आ रहा बोले तो फुटपाथ का अहमियत। यहाँ देखे, यहाँ फुटपाथ का स्पेस तो ज़रूर बचा। खैर ये तो डेली अपडेट है कुछ चेंज लेके आने के लिए, बस बाकी सब बढ़िया। मूड हालत थोड़ा डाउन है because of the PhD review। एक दो दिन लगेगा सेट होने के लिए, बाकी के बस निकाल लेंगे अपन। माइक का थोड़ा आवाज़ इधर उधर हो रहा क्योंकि उसका पॉप फिल्टर है ना, वो फिल्टर निकल गया। कहाँ निकल गया है कि क्या है कि वो भी अपडेट करने गया, उसलिए बहुत सारा नॉइज़ डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा होगा। लास्ट वीडियो में मैं ऑब्जर्व करा, तो उसको बनाना थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा। आज नहीं तो कल सेट कर देंगे क्योंकि संडे हम बाहर जा रहे हैं। संडे देयर इज़ अ स्मॉल राइड, विल ट्राई टू फिनिश इट ऑफ दैट। सो दिस बाइक इज सीइंग द पेट्रोल बंक फॉर द थर्ड टाइम, 1 2 3। So whenever we are going with the fuel injection type, then definitely we'll try to fill it maximum so that there will be no air block. Whatever the thing happens, we'll try to fill the maximum amount of petrol. That's it. Anna, full tank. Full tank. हाँ yeah, 6 liters అంటే 6 days అంటే ఈ కమింగ్ వీక్ మొత్తం. And here we go. This is the first time I am filling this fuel. The last 2 times my brother filled this, so I did not have the view of this. I'll show you how fantastically it is designed inside. This is the first time I have seen it. It's almost like partially there might be some filter, I guess. So dekhna hai. I'll show you in the next part whenever like we fill it again. The climate seems to be cloudy. It might rain. We cannot predict anything, but it seems like it will definitely rain. So hopefully, anyways, we are carrying a raincoat as well. Don't worry. That there are no chances that I will get wet until unless I stop the vehicle and wear a raincoat. In the meanwhile time only, like I have to check whether I what do you call, might get wet or not. So the bell which charges is 659, so some change. So this is the update. We don't want this paper. So what is the range what it is giving for? It is something like, let me check with the odometer is giving some, like I did not like the odometer. 38.4 kilometers is the average which is showing in the meter. I don't know whether this meter is correctly working or not, but if we believe this meter, then it is like 38.4 per liter as far my driving is concerned. I don't know the rest, because everyone will have a definite driving pattern, right? I don't want to push this to the maximum limit, because it has to come to the life for 15 years probably. In the meanwhile time, we'll definitely take 1 or 2 bikes, definitely. So you know what is my dream in terms of having a bike? I should keep all the keys in a bowl, and I have to choose a key and take that bike to the college or like wherever the work I work for. So that should be that was my plan, like my dream, to get so many bikes. So definitely we'll work it on that. Totally we have 3 right now with us, but 2 are sick. Bikes are sick. 2 bikes are sick. Definitely they are sick. So we have an help requirement here. Kucha manu, kucha ateku. Kucho. Jara movement hi. Chalo, we'll go. So we have a help today. The more the weight, easy to slide. Initially it might be difficult, but definitely it will be easy. Straight. Petrol bunk straight lo undi. So this is how we generally try to tow it, but this fellow, it's not that we have to not to see the surrounding, we have to see the surrounding as well. As the auto fellow was coming in a rash Mohana, no indicators at all for this guy. Definitely you have to try to help each other. 2 persons walking for a kilometer, more than in a kilometer, it is really a tough task. And whenever you face this kind of situation, definitely try to help them. If you don't know this, try to help them with a fuel from your bike, if at all it is happening. And if the person who is not cooperating with this, then definitely leave them. They know to walk. And definitely you have to look for 2 things. 1, if he is alcoholic. 2, if he is having any kind of bad habit like eating gutka or any other things. So as per my feeling is concerned, if he is having money for alcohol or gutka, then definitely he can buy some petrol. I think the petrol is on the left. Chalo guys, it's anyways late for us, so definitely we'll be going late today. There one thing which I wanted to update regarding Lenskart, so I'll show you that part in the next vlog, I guess. So what trouble I faced with Lenskart frames and all those stuff in the next vlog. Stay tuned. లారీలో ఏం తీసుకెళ్తుంది? పొగ వెళ్తున్నట్టుంది. ఇక్కడ పొగ వెళ్తుంది, డస్ట్ పార్టికల్స్ చేస్తున్నాయి. మనకి బండి పైన ఈరోజు స్టిక్కర్స్ వేయాల్సిందే. ఎనీగో వీ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ కీప్ స్టిక్కర్స్. బ్లాగ్ పేరు పెడదాం. మనకి బండి తీస్తున్నాం అంటే బ్లాగ్ అనేది తెలియాలి కదా, పెడదాం. ఈరోజు బైక్ పైన స్టిక్కరింగ్ జరుగుతుంది ఫిక్స్. వర్షం పడకపోతే మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా, మళ్ళీ ఏవా స్టిక్కర్లింగ్ ఎక్కడ పోయినావా అనేసా నాకు. లైక్ చెప్తున్నా కొద్దిగా ఎన్నుకో. रेन पड़ता था भाई डेफिनेट. क्या बोलते कमेंट में लिखो. स्टे मैरिड डिवोर्स स्पीड करते. So it means that I have to stay on road, and if I go with speed I'll get killed, thereby I get divorced with this road. इसका मतलब ये शायद है, I don't know. If you know just comment in the comment section. आज बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आने वाले हैं. You need to find answer. ఏమైందన్నా? పెట్రోలా? కూర్చో. ఈ మోసుకొని ఏడబోతున్నావు అబ్బా నువ్వు? పద పోతుంది. ఇలా హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంటే చలో ఒక సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. కూల్గా పోతున్నాము అనేది. ఆ లగేజ్ పెట్టుకొని నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంటే బండిని దోసుకుంటా. ఇట్స్ ఏ రియల్ ప్యాథటిక్ సిచ్యువేషన్ యాక్చువల్గా. ఆఫ్కోర్స్ మనకు కూడా అప్పుడప్పుడు అవుతుంది, కానీ మనము బై గాడ్ గ్రేస్ అంటామా లేకపోతే ఏదో ఒక విధంతో మనం ఎటో కూడా బయటపడిపోతున్నాం. అట్లనే మనం కొద్దిగా పెట్రోల్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉందని కొద్దిగా మెజర్ చేసుకొని వెళ్తే బెటర్ అని నేను అనుకోవడం. రైటా వస్తుందా? రైట్ ఒక స్మైల్ వస్తుంది చూడు, అది మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. లవ్ టు సీ ది స్మైల్స్.